Evidence Me also has a chat feature. In the web suite, you'll find it in the menu to the top left. Click on it and then click on My Chat. On the left, click on your class and then click on Activate Chat to activate the two-way communication between yourself and parents of the children in the class. Chat can also be accessed via the app. Tap on Chat at the bottom here and then again select the class and then Activate. Once a chat's been activated for a class, you'll be able to select the class on the left-hand side and then enter the text here that you would like to send to the parents of that class. Alternatively, you can expand the class and choose a particular child to communicate with their parent. Both in the web suite and in the app, you can tap or click on Attach and select a photograph or file to send out in the chat.